All right, today is International Women's Day. What better way to celebrate than celebrating with the Girl Scouts, of course. My friend Vida Urbonas is here, and she's going to show us how to make two incredible Girl Scout cookie cakes. Check that out. Is that your little one? Oh, so sweet.
Cute.
So, Vida, let's talk about these Girl Scout cakes that you're going to show us how to make. First, Thin Mint Explosion.
Yes, and this is a Thin Mint cake, or the Thin Mint box exploding down onto the cake and then spreading out on top of a large Thin Mint cake.
So cute.
So, and this part, the Thin Mint cake is so easy to make. I think we have some video. We want to show you how this started out. I used a box of the Thin Mint cookie mix, baked it. It smells and tastes just like Thin Mints. Then I took a knife and just shaved off the top so it looked like a Thin Mint. Added some chocolate chips and some butter as well, corn syrup. Put it on a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, just use that. I just use a crock pot in there. Mix it all together. That's going to be your ganache for on top. Look at that. And then now what you're going to do is take it and spread it out, and took some semi-sweet chocolate chips, put in some skewers for the barbecue.
So cute.
And then you start filling it in with the chocolate, and then you're going to cover that up with some of those crushed Thin Mint cookies. This is the explosion part where it comes out on the cake.
And you really just have fun with it. There's no way.
You just have fun with it. You can't mess it up. I mean, you just put a ton of chocolate.
How long did it take?
Well, you know, baking the cake part really took, it was quick. You know, I mean, I think the research takes a little bit more. Then those skewers kind of pop in like that, and then there you have it. If you want to be simple, just make the cake with the ganache on top, and then you can put some chocolate and add some cookies if you want to go.
Creative idea.
It's going to take a little while longer because you got to let it dry, but I would put it in the fridge, and then it solidifies really, really quick. And if you want, I'll show you at the very end.
Oh, don't ruin it.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, it's such a piece of art. Okay, let's move on to the Samoa cake.
And you don't need Samoa cookies for this. I just surrounded it with, so you can do this out of season when and it does taste like a Samoa cookie.
It does.
Started out with just a regular vanilla cake box and mixed that up. Once that was done, I put in a 1/4 cup of caramel, mixed that in, and then just bake that. And so that's going to be your cake, and that's really easy. Toasted the coconut, sweetened coconut, lay it out on a pan about 325, 350. When it starts browning, you want to mix it. So you want it to kind of even out that color.
That's really easy.
And it's so good and so easy. 2 cups of cream, then a whole bag, 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Pour it over. That is going to be your ganache that you're going to pour on top of the Samoa cake.
Okay.
I whisk it up right away, let it sit about 5 minutes, and see how it looks right there. Let it, so it kind of thickens up. Get it a little thick. Then you pour it over. Look at that. Doesn't that just look so good? Add the toasted coconut now on top, even on the sides. I use the caramel again. I just bought it at the store. I squeeze that over the top. You'll see that here in just a second. There you go. And then I save some of the ganache, and then I squeeze that on the top as well. And that is your Samoa cake.
Oh my gosh,
really
I'm
easy.
dying. Ultimate taste test. And as you're cutting, tell me where we can find your recipes.
I have them posted right now. I posted both of them. This one a couple days ago on my YouTube channel. So just go to The Parenting Channel, all one word, The Parenting Channel on YouTube. And there you will find these recipes, and again, they're so easy. So you ready?
Well, I love how creative you are. You're not only going to find these recipes that she did today, but she really is our DIY expert. You will find Vida's recipes to celebrate all different kinds of movies, different moments in your life, and they're really simple too. I mean, she does have elaborate ones, but she likes to keep it simple for you.
I try to make them simple. I'll go on Pinterest, I find something, and then I make it so, okay, you know, we don't have 2 days to make a cake.
Right,
So,
exactly.
You ready to try
all right,
your Samoa?
yes.
Thin Mint?
Cheers.
You want to cut into the Thin Mint?
Yeah, well, heck yeah, we're going to kind of, they're telling me to wrap.
Eat. Hurry.
To die for. It's melted in your mouth. This is so good, people. All right, now I have to talk.
Do you want me to?
Remember, Girl Scout cookie sales in this Sunday, March 11th. Go ahead.
Okay, celebrate the Girl Scout birthday on Monday, March 12th with either the giant Samoa or Thin Mint cookie cakes. You can get all these step-by-step instructions on my YouTube channel, The Parenting Channel. If you can't find your favorite Girl Scout cookie flavor, there are still varieties, including s'mores left. We got some of that. Go to visitgirlscoutsofcolorado.org and click on Find Cookies.
Yes,
Or go
perfect.
Go to your